the re-unboxing of Samsung A20. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel again. This is Joystick here. But this time I have here the phone. Okay, so I said it's a re-unboxing because I actually opened it, and I'll just try to let you know what's in the box and what is the first impression if you want to purchase this product from Samsung. Alright, so let's just have a quick look at the packaging. So in front, you can see here the A20 sign here, and also the phone itself. It has actually like dual camera and the LED flash at the bottom part. And on the sides, you can see here the Samsung Galaxy A20. And then at the back, so you can see here, I actually got this one from my dad. It's actually from Metro by T-Mobile. So we have here a 32 gigabytes.
So, and at the bottom part, you can see here the serial or the serial code and also the model. Yeah, and it said here made in Vietnam. Okay, so let's try to re-unbox it, guys. Okay, so I think when you have the original one is the unopened one is there's usually like a plastic here, right? So let's set the phone aside, and you can get here the typical Samsung manual here. So it has three manuals. This one is for terms and health information, and also the quick reference guide, and this one is from this one is another language. Yes, so the typical manual.
And here, yeah, it's already tangled, guys. So yes, they have here the USB Type-C cable. Yes, as you can see here, guys. Yeah, and it's in black, and it has also the Samsung charger, and it has also like adaptive fast charging. Yes, so it's which is good, and the typical charger that usually comes with the phone. And actually there's a SIM ejector here, so yeah. And with yeah, there's nothing more here. With the headphone, I think there's a headphone here, but yeah, my dad just kind of lost it. Okay, so let's set this aside, guys, and let's try. I actually already uploaded of some application of the phone. So here, when you turn it on, so have the Samsung Galaxy A20. Yeah, so let's try to look at the phone itself. So it's quite long here. I am not so sure. I will double check about the size of this phone. Yes, but it's thin and the typical smartphone that you have. And at the back, it has a fingerprint sensor. Yes, and the dual camera here. I'm not sure, but this one, maybe this is the wide angle camera, and this one is the typical camera that you have. Alright, so it has also the teardrop, um, yes, camera here on top. And yes, what else? So on the side, so you can see here the power button and also the volume rocker. It's on the right, and on the left, so you can see here the SIM tray. So it has actually just single SIM, and and it's actually expandable. So you can put the microSD card there, and on top, there's none. I think this is just the mic in here. And at the bottom, you can have here your how they call it, the headphone jack and the Type C port. Yes, and then also the speaker is also here on the lower right part. Okay, so the bezels, yes, on the sides, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but it's really nice, and it's kind of sleek. Yes. I actually had the Note 5 and the Samsung S9 before, but this is the first phone that I have which has the kind of display which is similar to another brand like Oppo and Vivo. Yes. All right, and what else, guys? So actually, I put it on I put it into the night mode so it's just black in here. Yes. And what else? All right, so let's have here the software information. So it has the 1.1 UI version, and the Android version is 9. Yes, it's already Android Pie, you guys. Oh, I thought that you can see something when you try to swipe it. All right, so I think that's all, guys, and the fingerprint sensor, and I will let you know if how it works. I will try to use it for a couple of days, and if you have any questions about the phone, just try to comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. So again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.